Hi everyone, I'm Allison Kenworthy, the founder of Homeworthy, and over the past few years, I've been dedicated to bringing you inside the most beautifully decorated homes from around the world and introducing you to the people who have shaped them.
Hi, Homeworthy.
I'm Roz.
You're here at my home in Los Angeles.
Come on in, I can't wait to show you around.
On this channel, we invite you to open new doors, discovering the hospitality and personality of our beloved hosts. Join a community of over 50 million viewers passionate about all things interior design.
We used a high gloss lacquer on the ceiling, and it really just reflects everything beautifully.
Never seen before rooms.
And the kitchen is the old altar to the church. This is state dining room. We have a lot of luncheons and dinners and brunches in here.
Behind the scenes photos, and so much more. We're excited to welcome you to Homeworthy, where we believe every home has a story.